Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I'm also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty, so Allah gives you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life, and it is yours. You also pray for me. I hope you are watching my latest video. So guys, it is over. Today bring some special beautiful cat bed ideas, crochet cat bed for cat lovers. So please you must watch my video till then. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety. Most demanding collection, beautiful ideas for cat lovers. So viewers, please you must watch my video till then, like and share my video with your family, friends, sweet cousins, neighbors and your colleagues. Press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work and good comment section. Press the bell icon. Like and share my video with your family, friends. Very nice, beautiful ideas. Most demanding collection. Different shapes, different ideas, different colors. Beautiful cat house, cat cave. You can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet cat bed. And you can see many more ideas about crochet in my channel, like crochet dresses, crochet beautiful amigurumi, different type of jewelry, handbag, gloves, cat bed, dog sweater, and different type of crochet ideas, free pattern. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye. Please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye.